Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, it's still cloudy, mostly cloudy, and still windy with falling temperatures, but at least the rain has stopped. We needed that to happen. Wabash in Lafayette going to crest 10 feet above flood stage tomorrow evening and 6 feet above flood stage at Covington. And most of the area is under a flood warning now, as a lot of creeks and streams and smaller rivers are still running very high. There goes the storm off to the northeast. There's that little narrow squall line that came through this morning with, boy, just a blinding rainstorm early in the morning and some pretty strong winds as well. The next storm is up towards Alaska now. It's going to drop into British Columbia and then combine with a storm forming here off the coast of California. And, you know, this storm is going to form in the same place this past one did. It's going to be here in northern Mexico. It'll really strengthen and take the same track, more or less, move it through Missouri and Iowa, bringing us rain, wind, and March-like conditions early next week. So get used to the early spring-like weather around here, at least off and on. In the meantime, though, the rainfall, again, 1 to 2 inches area-wide. Some places had over 3. We had about 3 at Buffalo, almost 3 at Monon from Gene and Charlotte. Thanks for that report. And 1 2/3 inches at the station. Over 2 Winnemac, and also over 2 inches at Atlanta. Still overcast in downtown Lafayette with the strong winds. Winds still gusting 30 to 40 miles an hour with 40 degrees here at the station. 39 Logansport, but already down to 36 at Remington. And for the evening, we'll fall to 34 by 9, 32 at 11. Skies will start to clear out a little bit, and that clearing trend will allow the temperatures to drop into the 20s tonight. The river flooding will continue through the weekend. As a matter of fact, if we get all that rain early next week, we may have river flooding right through Christmas with that big storm headed our way with looks like about 1 to 2 inches of rain, gusts to 45 miles an hour with the wind, and highs about 49 to 55. 20s area-wide for the low tonight, 26 Monticello, 24 at Winnemac, and 27 Lafayette down to Attica. And tomorrow, pretty cool day, partly cloudy, not too breezy though. That's the good thing. 35 Monticello, Lafayette, 36 Frankfort, and a high of 33 at Winnemac, Fowler, and Boswell, right around 35 degrees. Clouds break up and kind of clear out tonight, but notice tomorrow a lot of high and mid-level clouds, so kind of a partly cloudy day, but then we clear out tomorrow night, and that will allow for a mostly sunny but rather cool Saturday around here. So there goes the big powerhouse storm pulling away. We had a high of 60 this morning. We've been falling all day. There's your 35 tomorrow. The wind will start to crank up a little bit Saturday with 39. 42 Sunday, but here comes the big storm Monday. The problem will be the low will be here. There'll be a warm front here, so we could get a lot of rain along that warm front on Monday. Still raining into early Tuesday, 52, then falling. And for Christmas Eve, rain 39, it looks like 43 and falling on Christmas Day, but rainfall not a big deal, up to 1/4 inch. 7-day forecast, there you have it, the 35 tomorrow, 39 Saturday. The wind and the rain early on next week before it cools off again. We'll go from 52 to 18. So Jeff, wide swings in temperature, a lot of wind, and unfortunately a lot more rain on the way.
A lot more rain early next week.
Yep.
All right, thank you, Chad.
Yep.
Well, a big step for U.S. troops today.